Yes. So now today we are going to discuss about in service. Now we have got about 400 plus roles, but in this class we are going to about three basic roles. Three basic roles. Going forward, we will discuss. Guys, please go on mute if you are not talking. So now we are discuss about basic roles, and going forward, based upon the topic, we will discuss about other roles also. Other roles also. Okay. Now, what I am trying to do is, you know how to create a user manually, groups manually. Now we will discuss about roles. Okay. So first I need to explain you what are the different three types of three basic. One is ESS, ITIL, administrative. There are three basic roles. ESS is nothing but employee self-service. ITIL is nothing but information technology infrastructure library. Administrator is nothing but admin. Then who are all these ESS, ITIL and admin roles? As per our discussion, example, SBI has got about 10,000 branches. In this 10,000 branches, 2 lakh employees are working. And now SBI has given a contract to Accenture. Now Accenture has to maintain all these 10,000 branches IT infrastructure and the issues of these 2 lakh employees, IT issues of these 2 lakh employees. This is what the agreement between SBI and Accenture. Correct. And now Accenture has recruited 2,000 people to work on SBI project, And also they have given a toll-free number called 1-800-100. This number will be pasted on each and every employee desk so that, this will be the 1-800-100 whenever they have any IT related issues, they will be calling this number and raising the incidents by the service desk people. This is what we have discussed till now. So then now coming to ESS role user, all 2 lakh employees SBI employees will be called as ESS role users in service. That means all the client here SBI is our client and Accenture is the service provider. Correct. So SBI will, all the SBI employees will be treated as ESS role users. All Accenture 2,000 people will be working on SBI project, right? So they are related to any group like hardware, software, Servicenow, SAP, Yono app, LMS, like this. Any support group member will be from the Accenture. So that's the reason why we are calling them as ITI. Then who are admin users? Whoever is working on Servicenow development and Servicenow administration will be called as administrators. So here admins and developers. Okay, whoever are working on Servicenow administration and development will be called as administrators. Now I will show you all these 2 lakh employees, 2,000 employees, sorry, not 2 lakhs. Okay. So here all these 2,000 employees of Accenture will be divided like this: network team, hardware team 100 people, software team, database 20, service desk 600 people. Like this, all these 2,000 people will be divided into different groups, different team members, assignment group members. So everybody will be provided with ITIL. We have already discussed about ITIL role, correct? Why? Because whoever wants to display under, whoever wants to visible under, whoever wants to visible under incident form assigned to list, they must have a ITIL role. This we have already discussed, correct? Whoever wants to display under or visible under assigned to list, they must have ITIL role. Is that correct or not? Guys, are you able to hear?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So if that is the case, whoever is a member of a support group, they must have ITIL role or not?
Yeah, yes, they are into IT.
Because everybody is a member of support group. Everybody wants to display under assigned to field. Correct? So that's the reason why all these 2000 people will be ITL role users. Then who are admins here? That means whenever a service desk agent or the end user or any SBI employee logs into the system, if they click on create new, if they don't get the new form, is that a service now issue or not?
Yes, it's a
Yes,
service now
sir.
issue.
It
Yes,
is a
sir.
service now
So
issue.
if I log into the system and if I click on, if I am not able to submit click on the submit button, that is a service now issue. Then what do they will call service desk? Say for example, Mona is not able to submit the record on service now. What she will call service desk, and Mona will be, in caller field. Mona will say, I'm not able to submit the record on service. So now I will type like user is not able to submit the request on service now. This is how I and I will assign this ticket to service now support. Correct.
Yes,
Now, ServiceNow administrator will be coming into the picture here. So Priyanka Reddy is the service administrator and she will save the record. Then the ticket will be moved into in progress. Now, Priyanka Reddy will contact and check what is happening, why she is not able to click on submit the request. Understand? So now tell me guys, Priyanka Reddy should also have the ITIL or because she
ITIL plus admin.
correct. So she is also a support group member. Here, ServiceNow support is also a support group, and she is also a support group member. So that's the reason why we have added ITIL role to ServiceNow support members, and also on top of it, as they want to, check everything roles, user groups roles, every part of the ServiceNow, we have provided a admin role also. Confusion on this? So now I will show you Sai is there, David Dan is there, Priyanka is there. So now I will show you. So now I will open my login ID. My login ID, user ID is the name is system administrator. Okay. So now what I'll do, I will go to user pro administration. So user administration list group. If I type admin, if I type edit, my name is system administration. With this user ID and password, I am correct. So here, if you go to this, here you can see I have a admin role. So having admin role, ServiceNow will provide a new feature called impersonate user. Whoever is having admin role, they will be having impersonate user. Then what is the advantage of user administration here? If you click on
Sir,
user,
your voice is bulging.
what happened?
no,
Your
as you
voice is
already
not
Voice is
stated,
audible
not.
properly.
Oh, is it
Some
breaking?
disturbance, on.
Somebody, I see here. Parimala, please go on mute. Girish, blow, please go on mute. Sanjay, go on mute. Is it clear now? Parimala, is this clear now?
Yes, sir.
Because no, there is some lot of noise from I am in the calm room. There is no noise from my side. So whoever else wants to talk to me, unmute. And if you stop talking, you just mute yourself because I'm getting a lot of noise from different students. So please unmute. Sorry, mute. Please mute if you are not talking. Yeah. So now, as I told you some time back, whoever is having admin role, they will have a service now will provide a feature called impersonate user. Okay. So if you click on user, you will be able to log into other user IDs without entering user ID or password. Like I want to enter Sai's profile here, Sai. Okay. Now I will enter Sai. See Sai, happy. I will enter. I don't know who is Sai. Sai. Let me check. Let me check. I'll go to see Leela is from our batch only, right?
Yes.
Bhargav, Leela. Saina.
No, sir, I don't think so. She's not in this batch.
Okay, fine. No issues. Okay. I'll go to user administration. I'll type Sai. Sairam. Sairam is our active is equal to false. See, I have to make him active too. So what I'll do is I'll again go back to impersonate user. Sairam. Is 128557. 128557. Is this correct or no? Okay, logged out. Impersonate user. Sairam. See, Sairam we got. Now I am clicking on Sairam. Impersonate user. Okay, Sairam. Sairam. Yeah, now see. See, this is a self-service is a application. Self-service is a application. If you click on this, all these modules, this is called all these modules. Okay, self-service. If you expand application, you will see all these modules will be called as, sorry, all these links will be called as modules in Servicenow technology. Now you tell me guys, how many applications Sairam is able to see? Fast.
7 applications, self-service.
So content taxonomy is application. If you open this, all these modules will be, all these links will be called as modules. Now 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 applications Sairam is able to see. Correct. So now I have entered 6 applications here. You can see. Correct. Now what I'll do is I will type user administration. He is not getting users. I will type users. He is not getting anything. I will type groups. He is not getting anything. Correct. So now I will impersonate with the other user that is called David Dan, who is a ITIL user and he is a hardware group member. Now impersonate. Okay. End impersonation and click on the impersonation again. David Dan. See, David Dan is here. I'm clicking on it. Did I enter user ID or password, guys? No.
No.
So here you can see how many applications I am able to see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27 applications I am able to see. Here also, if I type users, no, I am not getting proper users. If I type groups also, no, I am not getting groups. Or whatever our groups are there, no, I am not getting our groups. Correct. If I type user administration also, no, I'm not getting it. But if I go to incident form, create new. Okay, if I right click on the header, am I getting configure option, guys? CONFIGURE configure. Are you able to see configure option here?
No.
No.
No, right? Now I will log in with the see here. I have already written 27 applications. David. Now I log in with the Priyanka, who is having admin role. Okay, Priyanka. Priyanka Reddy impersonative. Okay, Priyanka Reddy admin. So now you can see how many applications Priyanka Reddy is able to see. If you go to the bottom,
More than 27 she can see.
correct? So that means Priyanka is able to see every nook and corner of Servicenow. Every application, every table, every field, Priyanka is able to see because she is a Servicenow administrator in admin role. So if I type C, you can see user administration. See under user administration, users roles group having. If she goes to incident form, click on create new. Right click on the header. Configure option is there or not? For ITIL and user ESS role users, there is no configure option. Whoever is having configure option, that means they are ServiceNow administrators and developers. Understand?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Whoever is having configure
One-
option and they
Okay.
are able to see users administration, everything, they are called ServiceNow administrators. Simple. And also they will be able to see every nook and corner of ServiceNow. Everything. Because Priyanka is a ServiceNow administrator, she has to create users groups. So that's why she has got. Because as a hardware member, David Dunn will create users and groups in ServiceNow.
No.
No.
As a SBI branch, California branch employee, Mona will create users and groups in ServiceNow.
No.
No, right? So
No.
the reason why they have not provided those modules or those applications. Understand?
Sir, one doubt I have.
Yeah, please go ahead.
Who are all into ITIL group? They
Huh?
they are into admin and development, but they are not into admin and development. They are into ITIL, so they don't. They are not. They are not able to see that those. What to
See,
say?
very simple. See, if I am from hardware team, you are from ServiceNow.
Okay.
You will take care of all the ServiceNow related activities. That is the reason why you have admin role. I am from hardware means I will take care of RAM, hard disk, motherboard, everything. Of 2 lakh employees computers. So do I need administrator role in ServiceNow?
No.
Simple.
Okay.
You understand? The guys, please, very good, Parimala. You are asking all questions. In the same way, others are also. Please ask me if you have any questions. Girish, Mona, Sanjay.
Sure, sure, Kumar. Sure.
Others means other department guys don't have any do in ServiceNow because there are ServiceNow administrators, there are ServiceNow developers to maintain it. Others will be taking care of their own applications. They like SAP,
Your voice is again breaks.
leave management. Okay. So sometime back we have created leave management application. Correct, Parimala?
Yes, sir.
So leave management even so here Priyanka Reddy is the administrator of ServiceNow.
Mm-hmm.
But Priyanka will also apply for the leave. Correct?
Yes, sir.
At that time, Priyanka will have this admin role or ITIL role in leave management application, or he is a ESS role user.
Sir, can you please come back once again the same question?
Okay. So here Priyanka is the administrator of Servicenow.
Yes, sir.
Priyanka will also apply for the leave.
Yeah,
Right.
she can apply the leave. Yes.
Priyanka has to log into leave management application
Yeah.
for applying the leave.
Yes, sir.
So Priyanka will be an administrator of leave management system or ESS employee, ESS role user in LMS.
Priyanka is into administration and ESS both.
See, Priyanka is the administrator of service now, not for the leave management application. Correct.
Yeah.
So Priyanka will have admin role in leave management system.
No.
You are able to understand my point. See, here I will write leave management system is there. Here, leave management will be maintained by, say for example, Sanjay. Okay. And if you create, if Priyanka is not able to apply for the leave on LMS, she will create a ticket and it will go to LMS. The ticket will be assigned to leave management system and Sanjay will take care of it. Sanjay will take care of the Priyanka's ticket. Correct?
Yes,
Correct.
sir. Yes, correct, sir.
Correct. So now, Priyanka, here Priyanka will be handled by Sanjay. Now, Sanjay will also go into the user profiles of Priyanka in leave management system. Whether she has logged it or she has really profile in leave management
Member.
system. Correct?
Yes.
Primala.
Yes, sir.
Then Sanjay will have the admin role in LMS. Understand my point?
Yes, sir. Got the point now.
If for tomorrow, if Sanjay is not able to submit the record or save the record in Servicenow, then Priyanka will look into the issue of Sanjay on Servicenow. You got my point?
Yes.
So this is how the cycle works, guys. Now, yeah, roles part is done. ESS role. Okay, I'll show you one thing, other thing. So here, if I go to users, Sairam is there. I will open Sairam profile. Okay. And yeah, it is there already. I will open David Dan's profile. David Dan. I will open this. I will open Priyanka profile also. Priyanka. See, here Sairam don't have any role. That means if any user don't have any role, that means by default it is a ESS role user. By default, it is a ESS role user. If David Dan is a member of some groups, hardware and network, he is having ITIL group. Understand? Priyanka is the Servicenow administrator and a part of Servicenow group also. Servicenow group. She is having ITIL and also admin. Any confusion here?
No, sir.
So
Yes.
here you can see, click on David Dan's roles profile, click on edit. He is having only one role. I am removing ITIL role from the David Dan's profile. See, here he is having only one role. That also I will remove. Save the record. Okay, if you go to the bottom, roles is there, roles are there. I will add ITIL role again to David Dan. Save the record. Yeah. See, there are 35 roles added if I add ITIL role. If I remove again ITIL role, all 35 roles will get removed. Then if I add one role, how 35 roles are getting added? That means if you go to user administration, you under groups, you have a module called roles. Okay, here you try to pull out the ITIL role. Open ITIL. See here, the parent is ITIL. In that parent role, 19 child roles are there. That means if you add ITIL, automatically 19 roles will also, that means 20 roles will get added. But how 35 roles are getting added? That means one ITIL is the parent, 19 child roles. There are 15 other sub-childs or roles are also there in the child roles. That means if you add parent, child, sub-child roles also will get added. That's the reason why David Dan got 30. Any confusion here?
Sir, repeat again. How to move an ITIL code? Repeat again the last screen.
So ITIL, I have no under user, there is a called roles. These are the 400 plus roles. I already told you, right? There are 400 plus roles, 470 roles are there. So now what I am trying to do is, I am trying to pull out ITIL role. See ITIL, I am opening this record. See, here we can see the parent ITIL and child roles are 19, total 20. If you add ITIL role to any user, total 20 roles should get added. Then how 35 roles got added to David and C? 35 roles. How 35 roles got added? Because ITIL is the parent, child roles are 19. In this sub-child roles also, there are, in the child roles also, there are 15 sub-child roles. That's the reason total 35 roles are getting added if you add only one ITIL. Understand?
Yes, sir.
Sanjay, Girish.
Yes, 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 Kumar.
So you can see one more time. I will go to roles, edit. There are 35 roles there. So if I go to edit and if I remove ITIL role from this user, that is David Dan, click on it and move it back to remove and save the record. See, all 35 roles got removed from this user. Again, if I add ITIL role to David Dan user profile, again 35 roles will get added. Clear? This is all about roles, guys. So I will share this link with you in another half an hour. Okay, so for your future references. And for practicing, I think Mona and Sanjay, you don't have the profiles created yet, right? So what I
Yes.
will do is, I have already created a profile for Mona here in my system. So I will add admin role to her so that she can practice. Mona.
Okay.
Uh, Sir, as a user, I won't be able to see which role is assigned for me. I won't be able
As
to
a
check.
role, yes. I'll show you. Wait. Okay, Mona, I am pasting you the link on your chat. Please make a note of it.
Okay.
The link is this. User ID is mona@sbi.com. Word is Mona, I pasted. Please make a note of it.
Yeah. Okay.
And for this guy, Sanjay, I'm creating a profile for you as well.
Yeah, yeah.
Hello? Yeah. Sanjay, I'm sending you the, no, what do you call,
Instance link.
credentials to you. Please make a
Oh.
note.
So you're sending in the chat here itself, or?
Yes, yes, yes. Yeah, I've sent
Okay.
you already. Okay. So please practice it and I'll send you this recording in half an hour. Okay.
Sir, I have one more doubt here.
Yeah.
Sir, ITIL group, we have some child group and those kind of groups are there, no? Same
Where,
thing
where?
we do, ITIL in
I am going to
like,
roles. I am going to roles.
yes.
ITIL. I have opened it.
Yeah, there we can see some 19 or 20, some child roles are there, no, sir?
Correct. That's what I told you now.
Yes, yes. Same thing. We have any roles like child roles or something for ESS?
No, no, no.
That is also role, right?
No, no. If you don't have any role, the by default it is a ESS.
Okay.
If you don't have ESS role is not defined separately. If you go to roles part, type ESS, you will not find anything. Yeah, no.
Okay.
If you don't have any role, that is ESS. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
What is another role, sir? What about that? I
Which
forgot.
one?
You said 3 roles like ITIL, ESS, and one more.
Admin role.
Admin role. Okay. Yeah. Got it, sir. Got it.
So how do I check? How do I check myself? User.
Uh,
That
So if
role.
that is the case, you will need to go to my profile.
Okay.
So here in this my profile, everybody will have this option under self-service.
Yep.
Here you
Profile.
can see all your information.
Yes.
Okay. Every user, every user will have this profile, my profile option. Is it clear?
Yep.
Okay. See you tomorrow, guys. Same time. Bye bye.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Kiran and Venkat, please log in back. Kiran and Venkat, please log in back.